Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide I will show you how to fix Warframe gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart a PC. For that click on Windows icon, now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update a controller driver. So for that, first you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatic drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam info. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller is working. If the issue continues, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it, and after that check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on a check for updates option and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows and after that check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, apart from this, there are other troubleshooting tips to follow. First, you need to clear the cache on Steam, and if you are using wired plug for a controller, then unplug it and replug it, and also suggested to use big picture mode for Warframe. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Here is the big picture mode option. Simply click on it and enter it. Once you enter it, play the game and then exit big picture mode after to check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Warframe game controller or gamepad not working issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.